Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I have some dolls we rescued and one that I bought new. I'd like to show you. We went to some thrift stores and antique malls and got a few things. These were in the free bin at the local thrift store. I like these McDonald's Barbies. I have quite a large collection of those. But all of these, they have a free bin. Look at her. She is bendable, and look at all that articulation this little gal has. I think that's really cute. And then here's her little mate. They had these adorable little onesies. These will kind of fit my bitty babies, and I need some bitty baby clothes. This was 75 cents. 0 to 3 months also fits, believe it or not, my 28-inch Barbies. I bought this before Valentine's Day, but it stayed in the bag because I was going to show it. Also 75 cents. And I did get this for my 38-inch dolls. I thought it was real cute. She was in the free bin too. This Monster High girl. Oh, she has her arms and everything. She's a little loose in the leg. Well, it's not bad. Not our original clothing, of course. I want this Barbie. I think that's the rocker Barbie. I look at her all the time, but I walk on by because I have so many Barbies. And then I got this little old girl. And I got another one like her, but I don't know what I did with it. I think I took it out to try some clothes on it and don't know what happened. This little charm I thought was kind of cute. And my original thought was I saw it backwards, and I think it was 10 cents. And I was thinking a Blythe pull string, like I thought it was a spaceman, but it's not. It's some kind of high school thing. And I got two bitty babies, or beanie babies. I have corporal tunnel, and if I sleep holding a beanie baby like this, it keeps my wrist straight and I don't have problems. When I don't sleep with a beanie baby, I have problems. This we bought. This I am so excited about. We were at an antique mall and we found this little girl, and she was in one of the glass cases. This is an American Girl Kaya, and I think the lady broke that band when she got her out because I didn't notice that. I'm gonna look online and see if they had a little button there, because I have tiny buttons, and Darren can also print something. But can you believe that? Oh, I was just delighted. I think she was $12. They always take the tag in the antique malls. $11.99 comes to mind. I didn't even try to talk them down. Woohoo! You know what this is if you've seen me do openings. I've been waiting for these dolls. I had ordered 3 more Blythes. Well, I had ordered them a while back, and they never came. In fact, we ended up getting our money back. Well, I wasn't going to reorder more, but I did. I have this idea. You have seen the Dolls of the World. I love those. And I have a bunch of German dressed Barbies with the hair and everything, the traditional. And we put those out during, Darren and I often host Oktoberfest, and we put those out. What I want to do is a Dolls of the Season, Dolls of the Holidays. And so I bought this doll. Oh, now I can start my customs. I got my extra face. I thought it was just a face. It's the whole head. Well, minus the hair. But this little girl already has a name, and her name is Valentine. I already have a doll named Christmas, and I have a Colleen and a Patty. Well, you know how I am about St. Patrick's Day. And I have an Easter, And so she's going to be Valentine, and I am going to dress her. And I just put my Valentine's Day fabric up. I always put that up the day after. But I'm going to pull that back out and make her a very Valentine's Day outfit with the bigger hearts on it. And then I'm going to line them up for the holidays. But let me show you how lovely, lovely, lovely these dolls are. Well, she's nice and tight too. Oh, I like that because I've been getting them there a little looser. I love this pink hair. Love it, love it, love it. So Valentine's. And then is she ball jointed? No, this is not the ball jointed. This is the fully articulated. Boy, oh boy, they just move everywhere. The hip moves, has the rotating hip, the rotating arm, the rotating wrist. They just bend and stretch everywhere. I would like to, we are working on getting the little piece in the neck that makes the face look up. I think I would like that. So this is Valentine. I've got a dress to make. If you've not seen these dolls before, or even if you had, this one is upgraded from some that I've been buying that are much the same and actually cost more than this doll did. They come with pierced ears. This one we ordered with a faceplate, and it came with a entire head less the wig. And I got 2 sets of hands with that. I don't usually change their hands, but she came with that. These dolls have a pull string in the back and it changes their eyes. What you want to do is pull this straight back because it's got a metal ring and it will wear your string if you don't. I will be adding Valentine or heart-shaped beads to this doll's string along with her name Valentine. But I want to show you her eyes. Those are blue eyes, really pretty. They not only change colors, they change positions, which is so cool. Anyway, these are really nice dolls. I really like them. They can just pose any way you want. They're great. They're fun, and they are such a fun size to craft for. Her eyelashes, this doll, are upgraded from those that I have got in the past. If you can see them, these are really nice. This doll is definitely upgraded, and I did pay less for this doll than I did for some that just came with hands or, in fact, no hands. I love my Valentine. This is what I have so far. I just got started on this idea of Blythes of the holiday or dolls of the holiday, kind of like dolls of the world, only dolls of the holiday. As you can see, I got Valentine's new dress started. I don't know if these will be their permanent dresses or not, but it's a start. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.